everyone, in this video we are going to continue exercise 1C in circles of intermediate second year mathematics 2B. It is continuation to the previous video. If you didn't watch videos regarding this chapter, you can go through our channel playlist. Let's start the video. Here is the question. Find the equation of tangents of the circle x square plus y square minus 10 equals to 0 at the points whose abscissa are 1. What do we have to find? We have to find the equation of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 10 equals to 0. Where we have to find? At the point where the abscissa of the points are 1. Solution. The given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 10 is equals to 0. Let a point P whose abscissa is 1. Let a point P 1 comma y1 on the circle. Here the point P 1 comma y1 is on the circle we are taking. At this point, we have to find the equation of the tangents, and this point lies on the circle x square plus y square minus 10 equals to 0. So, just we need to substitute 1 comma y1 in the equation of the circle to get the value of y1. In the place of x, we need to write 1. So, 1 square plus y1 square minus 10 is equals to 0. 1 square value is nothing but 1. 1 plus y1 square minus 10 is equals to 0, and y1 square plus 1 minus 10 is nothing but minus 9 is equals to 0. From this y1 square is equals to, we have minus 9. When it comes to RHS side, that becomes plus 9. Now we need to find the value of y1. y1 equals to square root of 9. So we can write the value of square root of 9 as plus or minus 3. So y1 values are plus or minus 3, which means that we will get 2 points. One point is 1 comma plus 3 and the other point is 1 comma minus 3. Now what we have to find? We have to find equation of the tangent to the circle at point 1 comma 3 as well as at point 1 comma minus 3. What is the formula to find the equation of the tangent? That is nothing but s1 equals to 0. Equation of tangent is s1 is equals to 0. At point 1 comma 3 we are going to find the equation of the tangent. At 1 comma 3 equation of tangent s1 is equals to 0, which is nothing but x1 plus y1 minus 10 is equals to 0. Here the value of x1 is 1, the value of y1 is 3. We need to substitute x1, y1 values in this equation to get the equation of the tangent. X into what is the value of x1? That is nothing but 1 plus y into the value of y1 is 3. 3 minus 10 is equals to 0. 1 into x is nothing but x itself plus y into 3 is 3y minus 10 is equals to 0. This is one of the tangent to the circle at the point 1 comma 3. Now we have to find equation of the tangent at point 1 comma minus 3. At 1 comma minus 3. Here x1 value is 1 and y1 value is minus 3. Now equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent is nothing but s1 is equals to 0. That is nothing but x1 plus y1 minus 10 equals to 0. Here also we need to substitute the value of x1 and value of y1. Those are nothing but 1 comma minus 3. So x into x1 is 1 plus y into y1 is minus 3 minus 10 is equals to 0. Now x into 1 is x plus into minus minus y into 3 is 3y minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent at the point 1 comma minus 3. Therefore, x plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0 and x minus 3y minus 10 equals to 0 are the equation of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 10 equals to 0. Let us solve another problem to enhance our knowledge. The question is, if x square plus y square equals to c square and x by a plus y by b equals to 1 intersect at a and b, then find AB has reduced the condition that the line touches the circle. Solution. Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equals to c square, and equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, and these two intersect at a and b. Let us draw the diagram. The circle and the line intersects at two different points. Let us consider the first point as a and the other point as b. And now what we have to find? We have to find the length of AB. Here AB is nothing but a chord to this circle. So we need to find the length of the chord AB. So first I want to convert this into general form of a straight line, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So from here what we will get? We will get 1 by ax plus 1 by by. Just we need to bring this constant term to LHS side. Minus 1 is equals to 0. Now find the center of the circle as well as the radius of the circle. Here the center of the circle is nothing but origin. Let us consider the center as capital C, 0, 0, and radius r is equals to small c. What we have to find? We have to find the length of the chord. Length of the chord is nothing but AB. So AB is equals to 2 into square root of r square minus d square. Here we know the value of r. What is d here? D is nothing but the perpendicular distance from center to this line. Center to this line. The perpendicular distance from center to this line is nothing but d. That value we have to find the length of the chord AB. Let us find that first. So d is equals to modulus of, the formula is x1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. So here x1 y1 values are nothing but 0, 0, and the equation of the line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is 1 by ax plus 1 by by minus 1 equals to 0. So in the place of x1 y1 we need to substitute 0, 0. So 1 by a into 0 plus 1 by b into 0 minus 1 divided by square root of a square. In the place of a we have 1 by a whole square plus 1 by b whole square. That equals to, this term will become 0, this term will become 0, and finally we will get minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. So 1 divided by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Let us take the LCM. 1 by square root of, LCM is a square b square, and the numerator is 1 into b square is b square plus 1 into a square is a square. Next step, that equals to square root of a square b square by a square plus b square. What is this? This is the value of d. Now substitute d value and r value in the formula, then we will get the length of the chord. AB is equals to 2 into square root of, the value of r is nothing but c. So c square minus a square b square by a square plus b square. This is the length of the chord. That is nothing but the length of AB. Now, according to the question, what we have to find? We have to find the condition that the line touches the circle. When this line touches the circle, that will become the tangent to this circle. If a line touches the circle, then the radius of the circle as well as the perpendicular distance from center to this line should be equal. So r is equals to d. What is the value of r? Value of r is c. And what is the value of d? Value of d is square root of a square b square by a square plus b square. Squaring on both sides will get c square is equals to a square b square by a square plus b square. This is the required condition.